Welcome to this deep nervous system healing session, designed to activate your vagus nerve, the pathway of deep relaxation, digestion, and emotional balance. Your vagus nerve is the bridge between your mind and body. When activated, it signals safety, ease, and healing throughout your entire system. As you make yourself comfortable, I invite you to acknowledge in this moment that your breath is your power. With every inhale, you invite calm, and with every exhale, you release tension, stress, and anything your body no longer needs. And so, taking a deep letting go breath, and allow your body to absorb these affirmations. Each word, each breath is a signal of peace for your body, a gentle awakening of your vagus nerve. My body is safe, and I soften into this moment. My breath flows deeply, sending signals of peace throughout my entire system. A soothing wave of calm moves through my chest, my belly, my heart. My vagus nerve is awake, activated, and deeply supporting me. I breathe in safety. I breathe out tension. My nervous system knows how to restore balance. I surrender to deep, effortless relaxation. A gentle current of healing energy moves through me. I feel my heartbeat slow to a steady, peaceful rhythm. My body shifts into rest and restoration with ease. My gut is soft, at ease, and working in perfect harmony. My mind and body are connected in a state of deep co-regulation. Every breath soothes my nervous system and strengthens my resilience. I let go of tension in my jaw, my shoulders, my belly. My vagus nerve activates deeper healing with every exhale. A sense of safety and support fills my entire body. I trust my body's ability to regulate and heal itself. I welcome warmth, comfort, and a deep, unshakable calm. My breath is my anchor, guiding me to relaxation. My heart, mind, and digestive system are in perfect communication. I release stored stress, allowing my nervous system to reset. My body is designed to heal, and I trust its wisdom. I surrender to the gentle rhythm of life, trusting in my path. A soft, golden light moves through my nervous system, clearing away stress. My breath is smooth, effortless, and deeply nourishing. My gut feels safe. My body feels safe. My mind feels safe. I hum, sigh, and soften, activating deep nervous system healing. I am grounded, present, and fully at peace in this moment. My nervous system is resilient, adaptable, and supportive. I no longer hold tension. I allow relaxation to flow through me. A gentle hum of peace moves through my entire being. My voice, my breath, and my awareness bring me back to balance. I let go of fear and welcome a sense of trust and ease. Every cell in my body is bathed in relaxation and healing. I invite joy, softness, and lightness into my nervous system. I am no longer stuck in fight or flight. I am safe. I breathe in safety and softness, exhaling anything I no longer need. My vagus nerve is strong, clear and deeply connected to my well-being. A deep, steady calm radiates through my mind, my body, my heart. I am safe. I am whole. I am deeply supported. Take a moment to notice how you feel now. Your breath is steady. Your body relaxed. And your nervous system is responding beautifully to this deep sense of calm. If you'd like to take this relaxation even further, you'll find a special sleep version of this session inside my YouTube channel membership, a 60-minute guided sleep activation designed to help you drift off effortlessly while your nervous system resets overnight. You can access it right now by clicking Join below. And for those of you who want to go even deeper in retraining your nervous system, inside the Calm Gut app, you will find my 14-day nervous system reset program. You can try it free for 7 days. Just click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for being here. Take this sense of calm with you, and I'll see you in the next session.